Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I will show you how to add a personalized icon to a custom Dataverse table. When you create custom tables in Dataverse, they all get the same default icon, this jigsaw piece. But you can customize this and use the icons of your choice. I recommend using SVGs, and you can get them from many sources, such as Google Fonts or maybe Bootstrap, and I will leave the links for these two in the description, okay? So save choose and save the icons you wish to your PC, and with that go to your solution, select the table you want to work with and go to its property. From here, expand advanced options, and in choose table image you can either select an existing image or click new image web resource. Clicking it, you can choose the icon you have selected previously, give it a display name, also give it a logical name, and then click advanced options so you can maybe tie this to a language if you want to make some kind of distinction here, and also to enable this for mobile and offline should your app have some kind of offline functionality. Now save the web resource and then save the table, noticing that the resource is already there. Let's give it a moment to save. It's done. Going back to our app and refreshing it. Now you have a nice looking and personalized icon with your table. And this is the kind of small thing that makes your solution better, you know? So go on and try this one and let me know if it worked out for you. See you soon!